sa
7.
explanation.
Hindi yan.
We created 2 ranks higher than the Global Ambassador. Distributor, Silver Executive, Gold Executive, Global Ambassador, GA, GA. Pansamantala, we're calling it Senior, isa rin matatanda na to, tsaka Soaring. Parang money, parang forever living. Senior GA, Soaring GA. Pansamantala, we're finalizing it within the day.
Yes, kasi Doc, parehong S eh, pagka yung acronym SGA, SGA.
20, 30, this is 35, this is 40.
Yan ang gamitin.
So alam na natin to. This one may requirement. Senior, ano requirement na senior? Number 1, GA ka. Number 2, you have 5 legs. 5 legs na lahat yan GA. All GA legs with 50 positional points per month. Parang yung 10 dito, balikan natin 10 positional points, that's per month. Parang step. Qualify ka ng January for the volume ng February na ipipay out ng March 15. Same goes here. January, naka 50 positional points each leg, you become senior GA with 35% override. Okay? Higher versus lower rebates. May effect up pa rin dyan sa step points ng GPAP. Ulit, saan magagaling yung 10 positional points? Side volume. Nanga. What if may direct ka ng mga AP na naghahabol lang upgrade 2 points? Nagigets nyo na ngayon. So may silbi to. Hindi lang to para sa mga hirap mag-pay-in. Hirap mag-pay-in, sige, reorder retail ka. So habang nag-reorder retail siya, naku-fulfill mo yung 10 positional points. Dito, once you hit this, you become senior GA 35% override. Ngayon, so paano pag may direct na siya? Pag may direct siya on that particular qualifying month, and then 35% ng 800, hindi 30%. Kung naka-triple maintenance pa siya, 35% ng 1,040. So hindi na 321, kasi 35% na. Ngayon, this is a qualification every month. Okay, ano ibig sabihin? What if next month hindi na fulfill yung 50 each leg? Okay, yung pa rin yung position niya, George, senior GA pa rin, pero 30% lang siya. Kasi monthly requirement to. Okay, monthly requirement. So if you will look at this, ito yung tipong i-hit mo, parang within the next 2 to 3 years. Kasi imagine mo, meron ka ng 5, meron ka 5 GA. So ano yung itsura ng GA maximum yan? Yung pinakita natin kanina, isa lang yung GA nun. Eh, paano kung 5 yung ganun mo? Nagigets yun, 5 leg, i-compress, puro kami 2% doon. And this time around, may 5% ka pa sa differential sa direct mo. Ngayon, sa soaring GA, we just added 3. 1, 2, 3. 8 legs. So from 5, naging 8.